Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to work on how to make a Pong game. So like this, so you have a ball bouncing everywhere and you have a paddle which you can move with your mouse, and the aim is to score as much score as you can. So let's make it. So guys, and when you lose it stops all. Okay, that's nice. So now let's make a new project. Okay, so first things first, we don't need the scratch cat. We'll choose another sprite. I will search a paddle and you can click this paddle. It's a nice paddle. Now we'll choose another sprite and I will pick this nice ball. Okay, and I'll make a backdrop. We'll choose a backdrop. I will pick neon tunnel. Very nice. So now we will go to paddle and I will drag it to y negative 100. Okay, so now we'll put in a one green flag clicked forever. We'll set x to mouse x. Okay, so let's test it, and now you can move with your mouse. That's nice. Now step 2, we will work on the ball bouncing around. So put in one green flag clicked. I will go to x 100, y 0, and I'll put in a forever loop. I will move 20 steps and we'll put in this block here named if on edge bounce. Oh no, go to x 100, y 100. Okay, sorry, I can see it, and I don't want to move it just like that. I want it to go down, so I'll put in a point in direction and I will choose this pick random block. I'll set this to negative 70 negative 70 to 70. So negative 70 to 70 is basically from here to here, so it will just only go up for the player to get ready for the first bounce, and that looks perfect. Okay, so it's random position, that's nice. So now we will add the paddle, making it bounce. So we'll put in an if touching paddle. We will move 20 steps and I will point in direction, pick random, negative 70 to 70. Test that quick way. Okay, I'll switch this around, put it there. Let's test that again. And okay, so everything's working so fine. This is what we want. We have a bouncing paddle. Oh, that's okay. Okay, so now we will work on the game over thing. when it touches the ground, and we want to stop everything. So we'll put in an if y position is less than negative 150. We will just stop all. Okay, so now let's see it. And we have a bouncing paddle when I try to lose, and it stops. Okay, so that's nice. So now we'll add the score variable for this. So we'll make a new variable. We'll call this